To change Robinhood to Candlesticks, start by opening the Robinhood app on your mobile device. Navigate to the stock or cryptocurrency you want to view in candlestick format. Tap on the chart icon, which is usually represented by a small graph. This will open the chart view, where you can see the price movement of the stock or cryptocurrency over time. By default, Robinhood displays charts in a line graph format. To switch to candlesticks, tap on the settings icon, usually represented by 3 horizontal lines or a gear icon. In the settings menu, look for the chart type option and select candlesticks. This will change the chart view to display candlestick patterns, which provide more detailed information about price movements, including opening and closing prices, highs and lows, and trading volume. Candlesticks are a useful tool for technical analysis, as they can help you identify trends, patterns, and potential trading opportunities. Each candlestick represents a specific period of time, such as 1 minute, 1 hour, or 1 day, and is composed of 4 main components: the open, high, low, and close. The color of the candlestick indicates whether the price closed higher or lower than it opened. A green candlestick indicates a price increase, while a red candlestick indicates a price decrease. By analyzing candlestick patterns, you can gain insights into market sentiment and make more informed trading decisions. To get the most out of candlestick charts on Robinhood, it is essential to understand the different types of candlestick patterns, such as hammer, shooting star, and engulfing patterns. You can also customize the chart view by adding indicators, such as moving averages and relative strength index, to provide additional context and insights. By following these steps and mastering candlestick analysis, you can enhance your trading skills and make more informed investment decisions on the Robinhood platform. Remember to always do your own research, set clear goals, and develop a trading strategy that works for you.